Hello friend, welcome to iOS TicTacToe. This is Golden Thumb. Finally, in this video we can try to send data between the two multi-peer connectivity peers. Okay? So, our code will be inside our view controller here. And when we make a move, right? Well, it's the code. When we make a move, and yeah, drop at right here, we want to send out the move to our peer, okay? So the component, the opponent, right? So how do we send out we use the send out the data, we use the session. This is our communication session, communication channel, right? So send to peers with, okay? So we need to prepare the data, right? So the data, the move is, the move is this column and the row, okay? So for example, it's 0. We can send out a string to the peer, right? Like 0, 0. Okay, so to prepare the data, let's create the move, okay? Game move equals a string. Let's put the column and the row here. So it will look like something like that, right? And like 0, 0. And on the receiver side, we'll pass this string back to the number 0 and 0 for column and row. So with that, let's create our data. If that data equals, do we have a data like that? String name. Let's try it again. Is there anything like or maybe we can use move dot to data is there something like that? No. Using, I think we need a, okay, let's Google it, okay? The syntax. And I just forgot. I forgot the syntax, so we can Google iOS Swift string to data, right? Data like that. String to data. Convert the string to data in that, okay? No, we don't need that. Oh, dot data using, oh, it's like that. Yeah, that's what we need. So string dot data, okay? So move, right, dot data using, yes, okay, dot utf 8. Yeah, almost like almost 100% of the encoding used in our internet is UTF-8. So UTF-8, yeah, we can just use that. So with that data, we can, yeah, cut this one and put here. So this is our binary data we want to send out, right? So we are using UTF-8 decoding scheme, right? Oh no, encoding scheme to encode this string to binary data, okay, to peers. Okay, so peers will send to all the peers. Connected. Session dot, is there all? Session dot connected peers. Oh yeah, there's no all. Connected peers with send mode. Okay, so what is mode? Reliable. Yeah, we're using the reliable way. Okay, cool. Now what? Okay, so we can close this one. What does it complain? Okay, so networking code, right, might fail for whatever reason, right, happened on the way. Okay, so we can try question mark, and we'll ignore if it failed. Okay, yeah, that's it. So on the receiver side here, we'll use this implementation of this protocol. One of the function, okay, so we'll ignore this one. Did receive data, yeah, this one is what we will focus on, and that's delete those empty lines here. Okay, so here we did receive data, so we can try to get the string out of the data. Okay, so if let move string, right, equals data. Can we create a string from data? Yeah, encoding. Cool. So this time I memorized the syntax. Okay, encoding UTF-8. UTF-8. So if we get out the string from the binary data, so this might be something like a 0, 0, right? We can split that one to get a, we can, okay, let's put it here, like moves array, which is move string dot split, separator is comma. So this time here we'll get like 0 and 0, right, from this thing, this kind of stuff, right? We get that. Now we'll try to convert this one to the integer, right? So data, yeah, we still need the if let. So let's put it here. Because converting the string to integer might fail, because this one can be, right, like ABC, which is not a number. Okay, so if let again colon equals, can we do that, an int from a string move array, this one, if that, and let row equals int move array sub 1, right? Now we can print out our column and row. Let's see if we can get those data from our peer. Okay, so now let's reload those two things, two simulators. Run it. And switch to our iPhone simulator and load. Oh, yeah. Now let's bring up this guy and advertise, invite, select, connecting, connected. Yes, done. Now let's try to make a move here. Boom. 1 1. Yes. Oh. Do we get a 1 1 here? Yeah, this is iPhone. You see, this one is the iPhone. This guy is iPod Touch. So it means that this output is from our iPhone simulator. Great. So we get that. We can use that to update our game board. Okay. So we can just call. We can just call this code right here. You see, TicTacToe. We can call that code, right? This is our model dot drop at column and the row. That's it. And we need to update the boot, right? Repaint the board view. So set needs display, but it will crash the app because we are trying to update the UI from the background networking thread. Okay, so we need to wrap those code, the UI code, inside the main thread. So we can use dispatch queue dot main queue dot async, like that. Now let's put the code inside this one. Now it's safe. Okay. Yeah, here we need to append the self there because it's inside our closure here. Closure. I think we can remove that one. Clean up. Okay, try it again. Reload. And switch to the other simulator and load. Yeah, it will shut down the previous one, so we have to bring up that manually here. So advertise, invite, yes, iPod Touch 7th generation, done. Now let's see if we make a move here. Yes, you see, it works. Now this guy. Oh, cool. So let's try this. Okay, that's broke. Okay, it works. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.